The COVID-19 pandemic is far from over, but eventually, when enough people get vaccinated, we will get by this crisis. But New York Governor Andrew Cuomo says, make no mistake about it, there will be more. The governor says it isn't a question of if there will be another pandemic, but when. Recently, he talked about how New York State needs to be ready in case another pandemic happens.
We didn't have enough PPE. We didn't have enough masks and gowns. We didn't have enough manufacturing capacity for PPE. We didn't have enough testing capacity. We didn't have enough Q-tips for testing capacity. We didn't have enough quarantine facilities. They weren't set up. We didn't have enough laboratories to test the results once we found enough Q-tips to take the samples. There was no contemplation of how you regulate the borders and test people coming in to see if they're sick. We're still not, as a nation, testing people to what I believe is a sufficient degree to make sure they're not bringing in variants from other nations. We know that COVID came in through the airports. We need a testing mechanism that's run by the federal government that protects our borders. And citizens have to be better prepared. I, as a person, have to be better prepared. You, as an individual, have to be better prepared. New Yorkers have to be better prepared to protect themselves and to be in a position to assist others. We have to be better educated and trained as citizens of the state. It can't be that we're watching TV and we're glued to the TV to find out vital information and vital basics to protect ourselves. We should be prepared and have the information and the education so we can protect our own health, our families, and our communities.
Saying the state needs to get serious about a public health emergency plan, the governor announced the New York State Citizen Public Health Training Program, which will be offered through Cornell University. The university has developed a curriculum for people to be trained about public health emergencies. The state has been running ads on TV stations across New York to try to get people to sign up.
COVID was horrific, but live and learn. COVID wasn't the first global disease, and it won't be the last. Let's learn together and be better prepared. The New York State Department of Health and Cornell University are offering an online public health training program to teach skills to be better prepared for the next time to protect you, your family, and your community. Enroll now. It's free, so the next time won't be as bad as this time. Be New York tough.
Enrollment is free and open now. The 16-hour online course begins on April 30th.